I know. It's exactly right. That's exactly right. I agree.
Tell her, Peaches. Tell her, Peaches. Tell her.
Oh my goodness. Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh my God, I don't believe it.
Tell her she's mean, isn't she, Peaches? Say, Sabrina's mean. Tell her, Peaches.
Tell her to stay away from you. Just knock her with your foot.
Yeah.
Just go, boom.
Yep.
Bang, bang. You want to wave? Want to say hi? Say
Good
hi.
boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Want to wave? Boy. You getting tired? Bang, bang. Good boy. Say hi again. Say hi. Hi.
You're a great singer. Yes, you are. Oh, boy. Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
I don't know why people are so afraid to pet birds. Like, I promise you guys, they're really gentle. If you let yourself do it, it's like a really serene and beautiful experience. I just don't know what people think could go wrong.
This week, we're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison
Are you ready? Okay. Knock down those pins. That way. A strike. Good job. Woo!
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you? Pretty bird. Yes, you are a very pretty bird.
What was that? Did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina? Do you like them? You crazy.
And a cat. How about a dog? Coyote. Good job.
Meowie, Mama needs some tea. Will you open it? Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day.
He's put his wing up for you.
Sarah, watch.
Burning my head.
Coco thinks you're one of them.
Oi! Oi!
I think we got it. I think we got it, Paula. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. Oh, you don't like those pages either, hey? That's what it needs. Another one. What the? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh. Oh.
Hi.